Have you been searching for the perfect vehicle with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Honda Civic EX in white. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 50,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, power sunroof, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7053.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.